So we. Yo, Nate here, coming back at you with another round of Complete the Composition. Drum styley. So if you've been playing Complete the Composition with us, you know I've given you kind of a warm-up beginner round. Then I went to an intermediate round. The tempo, fancy word for speed, got a little bit faster, right? Now I'm gonna give you that advanced round of Complete the Composition. Still just a 3-minute game, but you're gonna see the questions are gonna be a little bit longer. The tempo is gonna be a little bit faster. You're gonna need to focus a little bit harder. I'm gonna switch over to this drum here. If you've got a drum at home, it's awesome to use, but if you don't, just move and groove. You play your body percussion. That's totally fine. You do not need an instrument to be a musician. You can absolutely have everything you need just with your body and your voice. Okay, here we go. I'm starting our timer. Complete the Composition, advanced round. Dig it. I am going to ask you a question and then I'm going to leave you space to answer on the drum. Remember, when I ask you a question, your answer can be very different than my question, right? Normally people don't have conversations like, how are you today? And then you respond, how are you today? That's not really a conversation. We're talking about having a musical conversation here. So your answer to my question can be your own unique groove on the drum. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna set our tempo. Ooh, it's a little bright. It's gonna be a little upstairs. It's gonna be fast. Come on now. You see, you gotta feel it. You gotta feel it. Okay, game on. I've started our timer. Here we go. Your turn. Your turn. Come on. Yep. Uh-huh. What do you got now? Woo. What's your answer? Love it. Come on. So we. What do you got? Come on now. Come on. Come on. You see, you're feeling it. You're feeling it. Love it. Okay, I'm going to give you a longer question. Be patient. Wait till I'm done with my call for you to respond. Check it out now. Ooh, you're up. What do you got? Come on now. You dig? Okay, come on. Come on. Love it. You're feeling it now, right? Aha. Bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it. Woo, what do you got? Come on now. Bring it. Just a few seconds left. Stay in it. What do you got? Woo, nice. Come on. Last one, let's do it. This is you. Oh. Oh. You crushed it. That was the advanced level. Click below if you want the turbo, dude. I'm making the turbo for you. Making the turbo for you. Very few people can get through turbo. Let's see how you do. Great music. Sounded killing.